What if people who work in your organization don't realize what you actually do for a living? What if they're that disconnected? Stay tuned. In this episode I will talk more about what could happen to you and your organization. I was flying the other day and I sat next to this lady and she asked me, what do you do for a living? And we talked about that a little bit, and she said, oh, I used to work on the shop floor and it was terrible. I said, so what do you mean? She said, well, you know, all the middle management, the managers, they all went home around 3 o'clock. They never really did any work. We were the ones doing all the work and having lifting, and they just sat there, didn't do anything. It's like, so obviously I said to her that I believe that everybody in a business is important. So I would assume that they do something that is vital for the business, but I wouldn't obviously know that. But she was going on and on about how badly they were treated and all that. And I asked her, do you think that one part of the reason why you say this is because of lack of communication, lack of knowledge what people are doing? And she said, yeah, I don't even remember anyone talking to me about that even. Think about that, right? You know, imagine if you work anywhere in the organization and you don't know anything about what's going on anywhere. You're going to create that information yourself, and in some cases the creation of the information is only negative. We are doing all the work, or potentially I'm doing all the work, the rest of you are not. It's very damaging. And if you look at a company, if this is going on, where people are questioning what others are doing and who should do what, and all these details going on, and at the same time the competitors are out there fighting to get your business. It's scary how much this connection could damage a business. And it's not by intention, it's just that because of the lack of a system. I believe that if you have a good system, a good strategy about communication, about being more unified when you're working, it makes the world of difference. Not only does it help you to improve what you do, but also to feel much better and more powerful. Like and share this and send me an email. Let's talk more about this. Thank you for listening.